Okay. And we have a nice green monkey here. And if we have any more problems...
Do this. Why? Just do it.
There goes a dinosaur.
No.
Do it.
Why?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Voila! Now we got gold rings again. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Yep. Hop off.
Oh.
Hop off.
Just so you know, Green Monkey, I am 64, so sometimes you may have to repeat something twice.
Alright.
Uh-oh. We got a faker.
Please get that all right.
What the Skibbity Alpha?
I really thought we were over that stuff.
Why would I search it?
Well, why is it you just were like, bop?
I just touched it and you
Easy, bye. Let me get the next one.
You're just like, nah, I'm out of this lobby. I want Daisy to join back.
They're not gonna let you.
Yeah, I know I had it.
Oh, purple has it.
Yeah, purple. You owe me.
Purple? You owe him.
Purple. I let you get the last one.
I've actually never got
No, green.
Yeah?
The little blue monkey without the pack, that's the one that hasn't gotten it.
No, this isn't Skibbity Alpha Whistler.
Wait, are you retired here? Are you retired?
Yes, sweetheart.
No, you
Yep.
work. You work.
Well, yeah, I kind of work. And
Come on.
I love playing the game. Anna started me playing the game.
She works at Haunted House and I do too.
Finally!
Whoa! You're scary.
Get me-
Now I'm scared.
get out of here.
Ooh, God! That was one big dinosaur that just tried to get me.
I'm gonna sneak up and get it.
Dinosaur!
Woo!
Dinosaur! I told you about the lobby. Dinosaur! Dinosaur! I told you about the lobby.
Now, we were in here earlier, and there was Mike and Bob who were bad. But as you can see,
Dinosaur.
new people rejoined,
What?
Yeah. I told you
and
about
the drama left with them.
Oh.
Ooh, wee!
Well, I've always been kidnapped. I'm a kidnapper. I mean,
No!
I've never committed a crime. You can ask all the people I've kidnapped.
Well, that's a good idea. You never committed a crime, but ask all the people you kidnapped. And Anna is it.
Where the heck did
Does
green go?
anybody know the glitch for this? The new glitch?
Yeah.
What is
Right here. I'm on top of the tree.
Yeah, green needs it, honey.
What do I do? Come get it.
Oh, come get
Come get it then.
Better make it quick.
it? Okay. You don't have to do this.
Come on, green. Get up there.
Smack him, smack him.
Get the pink one. Get the one with the pink bucket. Nope, too late.
Yo, blue, big blue.
I didn't get it.
No, die. It's short.
No! Stop it! I hate this game.
I'm sorry.
I know that you're short.
I want Daisy back.
No, nobody wants Daisy back.
Let me get it. Oh, damn it.
She was right now. For the time she just joined the lobby, she was a chill guy / bot.
Where the heck is green?
Let me get it.
Come here.
Hey,
The blue monkey. Not the one with the basket either.
Hey, where
The-
the heck did you go?
The green monkey. I mean the green monkey, honey. Aren't you green? Yeah. The green monkey on the ground, Lana. The green monkey on the ground. Who's next?
Please.
Get the one on the top.
Please stop.
Come on, green monkey, get up there.
Blue monkey. Get me up there. Can you get me up
I swear.
to the tree?
Blue monkey needs to share the guardian. He might slap me for saying that, though.
Stop it! I just want to get on the stump.
What the hell? I wasn't even going for the moon.
I'm getting it.
Please.
Get out of here, Yeti. Yeti, I swear.
Stop! I just want to get